Hi there, are you using Nextin by Speedcat and all the values are timeout like this? You can't see anything, you cannot connect to VPN. And this video is the solution. No matter you use an Android phone or iOS device, there will be a fix. Before we fix this issue, if you don't know how to get the subscription, the link is in the description. Just go and register here by clicking that link. That link already has 20% coupon code. You write your email, in the second box write down your password and then repeat your password and then create an account. After creating an account, just log in. You can always translate this page into English and the website is updated now. You can download client, which means app for Windows here. If you're a macOS user, then you can download macOS app here. And if you are an iPhone user, then watch this tutorial. I have guided everything about iOS user for the Nextin app. Here you can buy subscription and use my coupon code for discount. Go to shop option. Once you land to the shop option, you don't need to buy a subscription where it's written one time, because one time is not a package. It's just the extra data you need to consume if in case you consume all the previous traffic given for a month. If you want to get monthly package for 100 yuan, just go to the next step here. You can choose any of the packages and can renew with the coupon code. Choose the months, for example 12 months, and then go to the payment method. But before going to the payment method, you can use a coupon code for further discount. I already have 864 RMB in my wallet, so that's why this amount is shown, but you can use coupon code for 20% discount and you can renew with this coupon code as well. Write down a thickwistic, same as my YouTube channel name, and go to verify and then click on pay immediately. It will bring you to Alipay. There you can pay with the help of scanning QR code. After that, you got the subscription. Remember this email and password. Okay, it will take only a few seconds to guide you on how to get the Speedcat app on iOS. If you are new to this video, then simply go to Apple Store on iOS device. Open Apple Store and make sure your Apple ID doesn't belong to China. Go to search and here search Nextin and install this app. And now let's come to the real issue, fixing these failed or timeout value for ping and MS. Once you launch the Speedcat app, it will show this interface. Just write down Speedcat here and then press on next. Here you need to write down the email and password you just got the subscription at Speedcat website here. Then press on sign in button. Once you sign in your subscription account, you will see your current data. Then select mode and everything is failed here. The other one is proxy, which you can choose as global. If you're in China, then better to choose global. So let's fix it. For me, it is showing timeout or failed values because I imported a subscription that is already expired. So make sure your subscription is not expired. If you have multiple subscriptions, you can always go to add a service and here you can add that new account into Speedcat, so you will have multiple subscriptions in the app. So to fix it, first of all, make sure you just press on connect button. Once it's connected, make sure you just go to global and go to select mode, and first button is refresh your subscription. Just refresh your subscription, then press on the second button. It will refresh all these ping values. If it is still timeout, then do another best trick. Simply go to profile, swipe left for any subscription or simply delete it. Once you delete, it will show the starting interface. Then go to your setting and turn off your Wi-Fi. In the meantime, turn off your cellular data, go completely offline and turn on flight mode for 10 seconds. Remember this, you need to turn on flight mode for 10 seconds, then turn on data. Once you turn on data, it could be your Wi-Fi or SIM card network. Then sign in your account here. Select mode and you will see all the green ping values. If it still doesn't show green ping values, then switch from data to Wi-Fi and try again. And if you're already on Wi-Fi, switch to data on your SIM card network and then log out your account and try again. It will definitely work. You can always do the same things. Refresh your subscription and refresh ping value, and then you can choose these two arrows. Once you choose the arrows, it will show the lowest ping or MS value. The lowest is the best one for your gaming, other speed related things. So choose the lowest ping value and now you can see that you're connected. Now if you open YouTube, it will work perfectly fine. No problem at all. Alright, If you use Windows PC or macOS, then there are new clients or new apps available here on the website. You need to remove the previous apps completely from your system because they do not work anymore. That's why you see timeout or failed values or MS or ping. Download here for macOS. I'm using macOS, so you can have your own operating system. After downloading, install the app, and after installation, log in your account on the app. New app interface looks like this. Here you have your profile on Speedcat website, and in the home section you will see this interface. Pretty simple. Here you will see node selection, and in the second tab you will see global and smart. Make sure you are using smart. You can also use global. You can try. Click on node selection. You will see all these timeout values. First important thing you can do is here, you can renew your subscription here and it will update nodes. If it doesn't show green value, then just go to latency test. It will show all the green values. If all the values are timeout, just log out your account, going to my profile, and in the bottom you will see log out. Log out your account. But yeah, one important thing, if these values are not shown, first of all, you need to connect it. No matter it's timeout or whatever, just press on connect. It may show after you press connect button and then latency test, and it may show green value. If it doesn't, then log out. Then right click on the app and quit this app, and make sure you're not connected to any other VPN, such as I'm using VPN 07. If you want to know about this one, the links are in the description. Just disconnect all of them and quit. No VPN should be in the background. Then go to Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi. Make sure you are not connected via Ethernet or any sort of internet. After that, restart your device and connect to your Wi-Fi. After connecting, open Speedcat app again and log in your account. And first of all, just simply quick connect and make sure you are choosing smart mode. Now it's connected, and if the values are blue or whatever red, just go to latency test, and here we go. You can see download and upload speed, everything here, and choose the lowest ping value. You are good to go. Same process can be followed on Windows PC, so if you have older app, just delete the app and install new version. If you still got any question, my Telegram group QR code is here. You can reach out to me, or my Instagram is in the description. Feel free to hit me up. I'll try my best to fix your VPN.